Hey, Move Science friends, it's Move Science Girl. Today, I am going to demonstrate a lab that my friend Mrs. Bassett did in her biology classes with her students. And it's an experiment that I think that you will be familiar with. So let me help you and we'll take a look, okay? So this is the classic milk and food coloring experiment. Now, in this plate, now I know I have red in the back, but can you tell a color difference? This seems a little thicker, doesn't it? This is whole milk vitamin D. Wow, look at that. 8 grams of total fat in this. That's really important for my biology friends because we are studying fat right now. This, my friends, is skim milk. Yikes. Skim milk, friends. Let's look at this one. Wow, 0 fat. Huh, that's really interesting. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to take our friend dish soap. Okay, and I'm going to pour some on the top of my little Yeti cup here. Okay. And then I'm going to take half a straw and I'm going to kind of dip it in the bottom here. Again, you can totally do this at home. I picked 3 food coloring things. You can also do the same thing if you want with pepper. Okay, so see how I have soap on the end? All right, watch. Are you ready? Whoa. That was really magical, wasn't it? Oh my gosh. Isn't that beautiful? Wow. How about I do it over here? That didn't seem to work. Let me try some more soap. Can I get it to do again? Oh, if I leave it, look at that. Wow. Holy mackerel. Oh, it's doing it again. See how if I leave it here? Wow. That's really, really beautiful, isn't it? That's interesting. After a while, it doesn't seem to work, does it? Let me try this. Notice what's going on. Isn't that a beautiful color? Okay, now I'm going to add a little more soap here. So I have, okay, that was whole milk. Okay, now I'm going to try skim. Now, skim milk, remember, had less fat. So let's see if this does the same. Oh, whoa. Holy cow. Did you see how fast that went? Stops again. Wow, it's really spreading out. That's really interesting. I can see it spreading. How about over here? Oh, did you see that molecule go? That was kind of interesting. I wonder what would happen if I dumped soap right onto this. Oh, nothing really, huh? Interesting. Wow, that happened really fast. So you might ask yourself, what is it that made that happen? You know, what kind of witchcraftery have you done, Move Science Girl? And I really haven't. You know what? First of all, you got to kind of understand a couple things. So soap, okay, why do we use soap? Well, you use soap in like the dishes when you get all that greasy stuff. And what you might not see is sometimes when you're doing those dishes, there's a layer of fat on your sink water. Ugh. But you use soap because it breaks up the fat. Don't we use soap in our hair? Now, don't be judging. I did wash my hair. It just gets a little out of control here. We use soap to break up the oil from our hair. We use soap on our skin because we have oil on our skin. We use a detergent or soap in our clothes to wash our clothes. So soap actually contains This chemical actually has a water-loving, or for my biology friends, hydrophilic end and a hydrophobic end. Ooh, water-hating. And this soap, when mixed with milk, breaks up the milk. And did you know there are things that love water in milk, and there are things that don't love water in milk? Well, I'm going to show you a really good example. Whole milk and skim milk both have water and fat. What? Right? That's the big difference between skim milk and whole milk. Now, skim milk said it had 0% fat. There's probably still a little bit, but it's mostly water, okay, with some milk protein in it. And those soap molecules bind one end to the water because water loves itself. It's water loving. And the other side, the hydrophobic part, adheres to the milk fat. And the movement that we see with the colors, that's the bonding happening molecular wise. Isn't that crazy? It's amazing. Science is amazing. Okay? It's not magic. It can be explained chemically. So there's a little tidbit for you. Maybe you can try maybe a different percent of milk, maybe 2% milk, heavy cream, 1% milk, 0.5%. See what happens with you. Okay? Have a great day. Stay sciencey, friends.